all-new RS6 Avant and RS7 Sportback performance models, Audi's engineers have compiled an extensive list of upgraded specs and features. While they're compelling on paper, a word of caution is due. We haven't driven either yet. We're only going off of the information from the Audi press team.
Theoretically, these modifications seem impressive, but will they translate to the real-world driving experience? Our engines are revving with anticipation. On the customization front, Audi has made significant strides. With an expanded palette offering 16 exterior color options, including fresh entrants like metallic and Madagascar blue and matte dew silver. Personalization just got more interesting. Additionally, the standard RS Dynamic package ups the top speed to 305 kilometers per hour, presenting an option for the speed demons among us. Under the hood, more power, same engine. Audi's modifications beneath the hood can best be described as subtle but impactful. Both the RS6 Avant and RS7 Sportback continue to sport the familiar 4.0-liter V8 bi-turbo TFSI engine, but this old friend has learned a few new tricks. Audi's lab-coated wizards have enhanced the power to 630 horsepower, up from 600, and torque to an imposing 850 newton-meters, up from 800. Comparatively, this performance leap is more like a puddle jump, although it places the newcomers a notch above their predecessors. Their 0 to 100 kilometers per hour sprint time has been shaved by a seemingly trivial 0.2 seconds. Yet in the world of high-performance machines, this may seem a bit underwhelming. I think we were hoping for a solid 700 to 750 horsepower. Theoretically, these modifications seem impressive, but will they translate to the real-world driving experience? In their pursuit of perfection, Audi has turned their attention to some often overlooked aspects of driving dynamics. The introduction of a new self-locking center differential is their solution. According to Audi, the strictly mechanical center differential distributes engine power to the rear axle at ratio of 40/60. And if wheel spin occurs, more drive torque is automatically applied to the axle with better traction. Audi's approach to weight loss has taken an intriguing turn. Reducing insulation between the engine compartment, the interior, and the rear of the vehicle was a two-birds-one-stone solution. This wasn't just a clever move to get the music of the engine notes dancing in our ears. It simultaneously cuts down weight, about 8 kilograms to be exact. The new models are set to hit the asphalt on 21-inch wheels as standard. But if you're the kind of driver who prefers a little more edge, Audi offers optional 22-inch lightweight wheels for that extra oomph. As Audi doubles down on these two ice beasts, and who could blame them? They really are glorious. As with any car right now, you have to wonder, will we see electrified siblings to these cars in the near future? I, for one, love the body lines of the RS7 and the RS6. An EV or plug-in hybrid version would be very appealing. Keep it rolling till next time. Like, comment, subscribe, over and out.